Can you explain sample variance?
It's basically just a value which helps us understand how spread out the readings in our sample are.
So here, would that just be how much the heights of the NPCs vary?
Yeah, so if a sample had a really high variance, it'd look something like this.
Notice how their heights vary a lot.
And if it had a low variance, it'd look more like this.
And here the heights vary way less. The first step for working out sample variance is to find the sample mean X bar.
That's all 5 of their heights added together and divided by 5.
176 centimeters.
Okay, now please make that big formula make sense.
Don't worry, it looks way scarier than it actually is. S squared is the sample variance, and the top of that fraction is just a big fat sum.
Basically, we execute this stuff after the sigma for every height measurement in our sample. So we take the first NPC's height, which is x1, subtract the sample mean to get the difference, and square it. Then we do the same for x2, 3, 4, and 5, because we're about to add everything you see here together.
Why do we square the difference?
Look at what we got for the second height. Do you see how since 165 is smaller than the mean, it gives a negative difference? But for the third height, 203, which is bigger than the mean, the height minus the mean gives a positive difference. By squaring them, we're just making sure that these differences are always positive so they don't cancel each other out.
So to get the answer, we divide this sum by the number of readings in our sample minus 1. This gives us 1,956 divided by 4, which is 489 square centimeters.